Welcome back to another OTC video where today we're talking about Adhera Therapeutics or ATRX. Now, Adhera, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, is pleased to announce that a new European patent has been issued for the MLR 1019 armesocarb, a drug licensed by the company from Melior Pharmaceuticals 2. And basically, Melior received notice from the European Patent Office that the patent titled Methods of Treating Dyskinesia and Related Disorders passed the required period without any opposition being filed, triggering the issuance of the patent. Now, a little word from the CEO. Given that our development plans for the MLR 1019 begin in Eastern Europe, the new patent is particularly timely as part of a robust patent portfolio protecting the intellectual property. Now, dyskinesias have a negative impact both functionally and socially on most Parkinson's patients, causing embarrassment while inhibiting their ability for daily tasks like writing, dressing, and eating. We certainly hope that MLR 1019 can one day provide some relief to this debilitating disease. Basically, Adhera is developing this as a new class of drug for the Parkinson's disease, and they are making significant breakthroughs, as we can see through this patent right here. Now, a little bit about Adhera. Basically, they're a biopharmaceutical company focused on identifying advanced drug candidates that may qualify for accelerated developmental pathways. Right here, you can see the contact website and whenever you need to know. And moving on to another article right here, we see that they're actively working to initiate a phase 2A study designed to be a multi-center, double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled clinical trial conducted in Eastern Europe to evaluate this patent as the only PD product under development that would address both movement and non-movement aspects of the disease. Now, all of these existing agents that treat movement disorder exacerbate non-movement disorder features of PD. Now, enrollment in the phase 2 trial is expected to consist of Parkinson's disease patients with L-DOPA-induced dyskinesia, commonly seen and potentially disabling movement side effect of treating PD with levodopa or the usual substance. Now, this could be seen as a landmark study in Parkinson's disease treatment, commented Andrew Kucharchuk, the CEO of Adhera Therapeutics. Now, they do have a patent pending in Korea as well, or sorry, not pending, it's actually right there already. And a little bit more about the company. They recently licensed these two drug candidates, MLR 1019 and MLR 1023, from the Melior Discovery family of companies. Adhera is developing the MLR 1023 tolimidone as a new drug for type 1 diabetes with a focus on C-peptide positive patients. And this other MLR 1019, which we covered in the previous article, is a new class of drug for the Parkinson's disease and represents the only drug to address both movement and non-movement symptoms of Parkinson's. Now, finally, of course, we're going to take a look at the chart as we always do. Looking right here at the daily chart, sometimes using OTC markets, I like to switch to a line chart so we can see more clearly what is going on with the data. And what we can see right now is an upwards trending or ascending trend line respected 3 times, making it completely valid, and a nice zone of previous resistance that is currently acting as support. We are also sitting on fib levels, so moving on to potentially the lower time frames, we can wait for somewhat of a break of this bullish correction structure to actually confirm a further upwards move. Now, I'm not going to draw it like this so it's not ugly, but basically what we're waiting for is a break of these mini lower highs on the lower time frames, and we could expect a movement towards more upside in the future. So that would be it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something new about ATRX. This is the ticker Adhera Therapeutics Incorporated, and thanks for watching.